Crutzen, and it's saved by Romont. He went the other way from the way he went in regulation, and Forge is 0 for 1 here in penalties. He went to the goalkeeper's left the first time. This time he goes to the goalkeeper's right, and Romont was all over it. Now it's the captain's turn, Clifford Thomas. Dished out an assist in that match against Waterhouse. Can he give Akayè the advantage after round one? Tristan Henry, the Canadian Premier League goalkeeper of the year. Thomas gets it by Henry. Advantage to Akayè after round one. Another look at it here. Went right down the middle. So Akayè with the advantage. Alexander Akinoti-Johnson, in his second season with Forge FC. The 24-year-old from Sweden steps up. And it's saved again. Romont with another save. And Forge is 0 for 2. And hold up here was Romont on his line. Take a look at this again. Really close there. He started to walk back. Of course, no VAR. And they say all good. So Forge 0 for 2. And Akayè now a chance to take a 2-goal advantage. Onika Lacey now. And this one's in. Akayè 2-0 up here in penalties after 2 rounds. Forge in a major hole now. David Edgar, he announced earlier this week that 2020 would be his last as a professional. Tonight could be his final match. Unless Forge can't come back in this penalty kick shootout, then he'll play in the play-in game. Trying to put Forge on the scoreboard here in penalties. Edgar puts it in. Romont guessed the right way again, but Edgar, the savvy veteran, beat him. That's a gutsy penalty there. Trying to go top bins. So 2-1 with Akayè still to shoot here in this third round. Ignatius now steps up. He give it 3, he can! Top drawer from Akayè, 3-1 after 3 rounds. Clinical penalties so far from the Haitian side. They are 1 miss or save away from a spot in the semifinals. Mo Babuli, 1 goal in CONCACAF League this year. He has to score here to keep this alive. Babuli scores. So Forge still in it. Sent the goalkeeper the wrong way. And now for Akayè. A chance to be the 4th Haitian side to make it to Champions League. They're already making history in this competition, being the first Haitian side to advance. And will be Osei Charles, who came on as a second-half substitute. Is this the night for Akayè? Osei Charles, and it's in! Akayè is off to Champions League and the CONCACAF League semifinals!